Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the few key features of the new parliament building in India. We will not go into the politics as few political parties have boycotted it, but rather we will discuss some of the features of new parliament building in India. Now I will talk about some of the important details regarding the location and some of the important project dates relating to the new parliament building. The new parliament building is located on the Sansad Marg in New Delhi. The Central Vista redevelopment project, it was launched by the Indian government back in 2019, and the groundbreaking ceremony for the new building, it was held in October 2020, and the foundation stone of the building was laid on 10th December 2020. Now on 28th of May 2023, the building has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Now a few points about the structure of the building. The Parliament House is around 20,000 square millimeter. It has three entrances. The names of the entrances are Gyan Dwar, Shakti Dwar and Karma Dwar. And it has been made earthquake resistant. And the total lifespan of this new building is expected to be around 150 years. The chambers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, they can accommodate more seats which were in the earlier Parliament House, because India's population has increased, so the number of member of parliament may increase with India's growing population, so it can accommodate more number of people. Unlike the old parliament building, it doesn't have a central hall, but the capacity is more, the area is more, and earthquake resistant. So these are some of the new features of this building. Now there is a lot of talk about Sangol. So what is Sangol? Sangol is a Chola dynasty era Sangol, that is a scepter which was gifted by Lord Mountbatten when India got independence. Lord Mountbatten was the first Governor General of independent India, and he gifted this Sangol to the first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on the eve of India independence. Now this Sangol, it has been installed by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi near the chair of Lok Sabha Speaker. So these were some of the features of new parliament building. Hope you will like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.